This man doesn't know what I am up to. That day, I am super excited to give him this. At dahil hindi naman siya materialistic na tao, hindi talaga siya nag-expect na may ibibigay ako sa kanya. He is very sentimental when it comes to things, especially kung binigay ito sa kanya. I have seen how hard work he is at his work at hindi madali yung pinagdaanan niya. There is drama and issues and all, but at the end of the day, he makes sure na may time ako at hindi ko maramdaman na hindi na ako importante. So, to this man I love most, you deserve this. And I know na magagamit mo ito, and I hope I made your day and somehow lessen your worries, and to let you know that even when we're apart, I always love you and you'll always be my number one.
Hi, sir! Pagkalagyan na yung helmet, sir. Sir?